Hey guys, it's Kristin again at Dodge Country. I am now inside the 2019 Ram 1500 Laramie Edition. Again, got the heated seats going. I just thought I'd show you another how-to video, how to connect your Bluetooth. Big question, popular across the board. So let's get started. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you how to hook up this Bluetooth. First, I'm just gonna make sure my settings are turned on, make sure that I'm discoverable. I'm just gonna turn that off, turn it back on, refresh it. It says now discoverable. I'm gonna come over here and click the phone button. No phone connected. Would you like to pair? Yes. You see the pin. I'm just gonna come back over here and wait for Uconnect to pop up on my, there it is. So just select that, click pair on this screen, and wait while it connects. It's already connected. It's so fast. Make this your favorite, of course. And we're ready. Now we can use voice commands, can use my streaming music apps, phone calls. Just gonna make everything a lot easier and seamless. All right, this has been Kristin at Dodge Country showing you another how-to video. Thanks again for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.